packing up 25 years worth of stuff from our house, shutting down our business, stopping the job that I was doing. You know, it's far too difficult to live sustainably, living a normal, standard life. And felt guilty about that for years, really.
Come on, buddy. Don't die. I think it's gonna survive. My name is Eve. I'm 9 years old, and this year I have spoken outside of my local MP's office in Somerset. When I'm older, I would like to see the bees buzzing through the flowers and the butterflies flying through the forest and hear the birds singing in the trees. But I'm scared. I'm scared that this is all a dream and that I'm living in a planet that is dying. We must consume less and spend more time doing things together to help the planet. But we are being beaten by the ones who would rather have a pocket full of money than a planet full of life.